Everything is 932. You see what happened? Big rejection candle. Big rejection candle. Huge people are getting stopped out right now. Now you see why this wouldn't be a good entry for market open, because you will get stopped out. And this will be my sell position, as you see. It's all about adjusting. This will be my sell position. This will be my sell position. See, your average trader almost just got stopped out. He is. They are gonna get stopped out. So y'all. Head and shoulders, I tell y'all. Head, shoulder, shoulder, right here. Shoulder, head, shoulder. What you think gonna happen next? It's gonna blast up, of course, but it's gonna recover liquidity. I told you, it always make a W or an M. You see the W. You see the M though. Hold on. Right here, you got right here. You got right here. Then you got right here. Then right here. You know what I'm saying? That's a whole M and a W in one. You know what I'm saying? So I will be in profit right now off the sell side liquidity. And your favorite trader is getting stopped out right now as we speak. You know what I'm saying? Look at this. The trend is your friend. Look at the bigger time frame. The trend is your friend unless you can catch a reversal. You see, look at this big ass red candle, bro. This is aiming to stop people out. Some people was buying in right here on the market open. That's why patience is key, bro. Currently 9:35. Showing y'all this shit real time again. Nothing changed. Let's see. Boom, there it is. There it is. So this would have been a good trade for the for your retail trader, but I would have waited a little longer because this big wick would have just probably hit somebody's stop or attempted to hit mine. So I would have left it some breathing room, but this possibly would have been a good trade, but it wouldn't be good to buy in early. You always wait on the red candle in the wick from that area. Then now we're going to fill those gaps. Let's see my other position. My other position was over here. You know what I'm saying? So, you see that candle? Big ass green candle. And this is the move we take up, hit fair value gap. So we could take that sell off. I would have scalped that sell, honestly, because that's manipulation always. You always wait for distribution phase. Boom, there it is. A big ass W. Okay, so we could take the other one off right here, because I thought it was gonna hit this area because we have a gap over here, as you see, but it didn't, surprisingly, so that's okay. You always have to adjust. It's important to adjust, you know what I'm saying? That would be the, the entry. Remove that one. This could have been your entry. Just showing y'all, I didn't take a position or anything. I'm just trying to get y'all the game. And we should be hitting, let's see, 5 minutes. Yeah, we should be hitting this high possibly right here, this mid-level high again. So you could have targeted all of that and held this morning. Let's see, got a 5 minute, broke through fair value gap right here, as you see. Still shooting to go up. Go 1 minute candle. See me, I always wait. It's not always gonna hit that level that you marked up. It's always gonna, be around it. So always look for the big rejection candle around it. So when you see that right there, change the direction. That, like this big candle and this close in the middle, red candle, that's telling you all you need to know. And the close above. Get in. Ride that bitch up. You know what I'm saying? I know the market would gap down today. It didn't take out some people. It didn't. You find your buyer opportunity for today since we were in sales yesterday. You see how switches though? Monday was, no, I'm tweaking. Tuesday was sales. Yeah, yesterday was sales. And Wednesday is today, so we're in buys. You see this? And then we got, what else? Let's see how we looked on Monday. Thursday, 7:15. Now it's too far back. Monday right here. So Monday, we were in sales. We got down on sales Monday. Tuesday, what we do Tuesday? What we do Tuesday, Tuesday we gapped down. Yeah, that's right. We gapped down Tuesday, but then we rallied back up. So I caught the move both ways. I would have caught the move both ways. Now today, we gapped down, then recovered up. We didn't check news or nothing. This is just pure price action. Let me check the news. Because I think we did have FOMC, federal, yep, we do. Federal funds rate, FOMC, that's at 2. Oh, this is at 8:30 Thursday. So we good today, really. Federal funds rate and FOMC statement. Okay, so then we go back, see what it's doing, see the momentum. You just, this could be a one and done a day. I don't usually try to take 2 moves a day, you know what I'm saying? But this could be a one and done a day for you. So I'm just waiting on price to do what it gotta do. Made it M. You see that? You will still be in the trade, possibly. All it's doing is pulling back the fill out of this mid-level meet back right here, possibly. And then, recover from all that move right here. So pull out that brush again, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna do what we do. Saying it's gonna make an M. It's gonna make an M. Then it's gonna, start bouncing. Then we go to the moon from there. Then we go up. Have to watch. You see it hit that wick, that mid-level wick. Well, not mid-level, it's just like, I don't know, it's just gonna meet another wick every time. I notice that. Every time it's gonna meet another wick. So you really wait for that for your entry. And if it goes past, then you switch your bias, but you always wait to see what the market is going to do and give you confirmation. But I'm very confident in this move, I'll say. You see the Heikin-Ashi candles. It's only right we recover because we have been in sales for so long. See, Heikin-Ashi, you're looking at the rectangle long box of the candle. You're seeing how it's pushing away from the area, pushing away from the area. You know how it's pushing away, you know what I'm saying? And it's wicking away. You see the wicks, long wicks away. This will be the buy zone right here. Buy zone, you know what I'm saying? Buy zone. See how it wicked from there? Like, I just wish y'all see what it didn't make a lower low than here. It didn't make a lower low than right here, right here. So this low didn't come lower than this low, which gave me a bias of buys still. We are still in buys. You see what it's doing? It's pushing up. This real time, no recorded shit. This is real fucking time, 9:43 in the morning. It's just me marking up the charts, man. You see? You see? Look at what it's doing. Boom. Always stay patient for the price action to play out in your favor. And you just keep waiting, you know what I'm saying? Just keep waiting on it. Stay patient. Have confidence and trust in your setups. Know that it's all gonna play out, you know what I'm saying? You're not even supposed to watch the market. You're supposed to enter your position and just like, don't even look at it, you know? Let it hit the take profit or stop loss, you know? But me, I'm different. I like monitoring my trades, just learning every aspect of this shit. So, you know, I know what to look out for other times, future reference. You see? Still in the trade at that, like, we would still be in. Still going. See, it's still wicking from the mid area. Still wicking from the mid area. Wick, back to back wicks. You know what I'm saying? Now we're seeing a rise up. Now we go to grab all this liquidity on the back side of us, because there's nothing left to feel. Remember, there's nothing left to feel to the left. There's nothing left to feel to the left. Nothing left to feel. This got filled by this, all of this. And this got filled, this one candle right here got filled by the one beside it. So there's nothing else to cover with that. This got filled by all of this. So there's nothing left behind us to fill for real. So it's only right we go up and fill all of these, you know what I'm saying? Fill all of these. Easy. Easy money. Real time. In your face. You know what I'm saying? Showing you how to do this shit. Going in buys, just stick with your bias, man. Have a plan. God bless all y'all.